Anyone? Ada question? Ada comments? Tak ada ya? Okay, group 14. Okay, ada some groups actually did not submit the plagiarism checking. Tak tahulah macam mana ya. Okay, group 14, Rabiatul Adawiyah and Sheikha Shafura. So, are you guys here? Ada Okay. Now, this one. Okay, this one. Okay, ini sama juga. So, my comments is on the... Okay, now, again. If you are to use World Health Organization as citation, sini kan first occurrence dia different ya. Is in the slides. So I have commented here, kalau first occurrence and this WHO you want to use again and again in the same document, maknanya bukan setakat sekali. So if this is you are using this just once, sekali saja, this is sufficient. Tapi if you are using this again in the document, so we want to use the short form. So here, first occurrence, use this one. This is how you bracket World Health Organization. Now square bracket WHO square bracket comma 2020. This is how you actually write this. Okay, and to write this, you have to do it manually. This one you kena manually. You tak boleh nak insert. You have to do it manually. First occurrence. Yeah, meaning that kalau ada dalam bracket, you cannot have bracket in bracket. So, the bracket in bracket, which is WHO, there's a bracket, you use square bracket. Because the original is like round bracket, but inside, you use square bracket. That is the first time you use. Okay, then, you can use this WHO. Okay, WHO. Okay. Now, this one, this is okay. Yang ni betul lah. Yeah. But here, there is what? Coronavirus. So, the format is should be the author, which is WHO, comma, year. Dia tak ada Dia, you shouldn't have ni. Tak tahu mana, which one. Mana dia tadi? Not sure how it, tapi dia benda ni tak betul lah It's not supposed to be like WHO, coronavirus, tak tahu what is this. Okay, I'm not sure what is this. Why is it like this? So tak ada masa. Okay, now this one. Okay, yang atas ni, the first one, this should be okay. Okay, this one, there's no citation. Close contact can be considered as anyone. Okay, now there's no citation here because now once you have put this, you consider this one is not part of Elengo. But if this is from Elengo, then this Elengo should not be put here. It should be put at the end. Should be put here. Okay, so basically, once you put Elengo here, meaning that this one is not Elengo. It is because dia dah split. Okay, this is just split. So the comment is here. If the whole paragraph is from the same source, place the citation at the end. If it is from different source, then you need to put the citation for the second source here. Letak sini. Okay. Now here, ini pun panjang di nama title apa semua. Okay. Now if you have, for example, two different articles from the same author, for example WHO, the same author, they are the two different articles from the same year, but two different articles, tahunnya sama. So the way you use it different. You do, for example, here one, WHO, 2021A. So this one you have to put this manually, WHO 2021A and WHO 2021B. If you have two, or you have another article, different article from WHO 2021C, the A, B, C on the year. Because if the articles are different but the same year. You put in A, B, C. Okay, the comments is seperti mana yang di sini. Now, project background. Okay, again, the use of surname. So, ini salah tengok Nadim, Ahmad, apa semua. So, basically, you need actually to use the correct. See, this is salah this is not how you put this, because remember ni corporate author see, you choose corporate author. This is not corporate author. This is actually the name of individual, so you don't consider this as corporate author. Corporate author tu, for example, University Kuala Lumpur, website dia University Kuala Lumpur, that is corporate author. Okay, ataupun Ministry of Health, you do not know who individual yang write, so that is considered corporate author. Or Microsoft Corporation, that is corporate author. So if you have these names, you jangan pilih corporate author. Okay, author, do not check this one, jangan check this one. Okay, and again, you need to use the correct surname. Okay, surname, cara nak tulis tu, you have to actually be correct about that. Sama juga, because here you have Louis in the middle, so meaning that when you write this one, I consider all this part is not part of what Louis said. Kalau for example this part is also from Louis, then Louis, you need to move to the end. You need to move here, Louis. So if this is not part of Louis, then you need to put another citation here. So where is this from? Okay, where is this from? The part yang, okay, the part from this one, from this one, where is this from? If this is not from Louis, siapa? You need to put a citation. Okay, this is also, there's no citation. Benefit of the using QR code, which is fine, but there's no citation here. Okay, this one is actually how to write the citation. First occurrence, okay, the same comment dengan WHO tadi, but this is Centers of Disease Control and Prevention. So I give you how to write this here. Okay, on the right. Okay, this is how you should do it. And for subsequent, just use CDC. Just use CDC. Okay, sometimes you have to use to do it manually dekat CD terpaksa buat manual. But manual pun in terms of you manage the sources, you need to put in the sources, because benda tu akan keluar on the bibliography. Okay, you need to do it correctly. Okay, sama juga this one, ni kena surname the name of the authors should be surname. And perhaps adakah benda ni salah? Okay, this one, corporate author, you should not check this one. This is not corporate author. This is not corporate author. And even the way that you put in is incorrect. Nampak dia tunjuk corporate author lah. This is not supposed to be corporate author. Okay, this is incorrect. Okay, so basically this is for group 14. Okay, boleh faham group 14? Okay, dah. Okay, number 15 ni kan saya tak mau check. Group 15 yang submit, first dia submit pun macam ni, and there's no plagiarism punya check langsung, jadi saya tak mau check langsung. Okay, so basically saya sempat sampai 1 to 15. So basically I want to finish until everything, but I cannot actually time's up, tapi saya tak boleh paksa for you to stay. So for those of you tak mau stay, silakan. But for the rest, siapa yang nak stay, saya nak bagi sampai habis, okay? Because I'm recording this. So for those of you who time's up, ni 1:30 dah, you have lunch or you not go solat and whatever, and you have other classes, you are welcome to go. But those who want to stay with me, you can stay with me because I'm going to finish all the groups. Later on, if you cannot stay, I'm recording this, so I will publish this so that you can refer back to the videos. Okay, okay, group 16. Okay, group 16 is actually Ahmad Syafiq and Ibnu Sazlan. Okay, tak ada, tak apa. So let me just cover this one. Ada ya. Okay, now this one, the first part, this one, sini you tulis portal rasmi Kementerian Kesihatan. No, put in Ministry of Health. Tak payah sebut portal just it's not about a portal, it's who is the author. The author is Ministry of Health. So the same comments just now. Okay, you can see that, okay, for the first occurrence, this is how you do it. Bracket, Ministry of Health. Okay, in that you have square bracket MOH, comma 2020. Okay, this is how you write this correctly. Okay, now if you are only using Ministry of Health just once, sekali saja, okay, sekali saja, so no need for you to actually short form, just pakai the full. Tapi kalau if you are using it many times, then this one also saya use KKM, MOH, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Health, Health ni H is uppercase. Yeah, this is what we call a proper noun in English. Kata nama khas, nama orang dia kena besar lah, huruf besar. Of ni dia huruf kecil Okay, so that mistake. Okay, now this one and then saya tengok you ada space problem, banyak space problem. You see, after recovery there's no space here, kena ada space lah. Recovery space, between words you have to space. Recovery, Y, ROCEVERY, there's no space, you need to have a space here. Sama juga di sini, tengok services, tak ada space. So every time after one word, before you go to the next word, including the citation, mesti ada satu space. So jadi my comment ni untuk semua space. Okay, secondly, you use COVID. COVID is a proper noun. Okay, nama khas. COVID-19. So you need to put in macam ni this is the proper noun, how you write COVID-19, because it is not just COVID, it is a name, COVID-19. It's nama khas, proper noun all the space, okay, all the space, ini space facing dengan cak borti, you need a space. Okay, project background, no comments, semua okay, kecuali the space. Ini space saja. Tapi yang the rest, I think everything should be okay. Saya rasa okay ni semua. Just you need a space here. Okay, now problem statement. Okay, problem statement. Of course, sama juga comment. Space, COVID, proper noun. Okay, ini tak ada citation. So if you can have citation, baguslah. Try if it is possible to find some citation that mention about this kind of problem. Sebab problem ni macam very specific, bukan macam general knowledge. Walaupun we can say that yes, you know, because kita Malaysian, but at least if there is like somewhere that you read that mention this one, it is better. Saya tak kata salah, tak ada, but it is better if you have citation. Okay, any question on this? Group 16? Boleh Boleh faham Okay, welcome. Okay, group 17. Okay, group 17 is Muhammad Afiq and Amal Nakibah. Okay, okay, ada Okay, tak apa. Tak ada pun tak apa. I understand. Times dah habis. Okay, this one no citation. Okay, you need to have a citation here. This one, spelling new Straits Times, straight. Because you type in manually benda ni. I understand because you want to do this. You buat direct code, so you type manually. But straight, STRITS. Ya, ini this is the correct spelling on the right, ni correct spelling. Spelling mistake. Penting. Salah nama error. Okay. Now here, you start off the method. The method. You start the method. What method are you talking about? Okay. What method are you talking about? So alih-alih tiba-tiba you start the method. So what method? The tu apa? The method. What is the method? The method has been used. So jadi you are talking about field. Okay. Tapi macam mana pun, pelik lah you start off dengan like the method. You start punya. So jadi perhaps the way that you susun you punya ayat tu should be improved. Tapi actually saya tak patut bincang pasal itu di sini. Sorry lah. So tapi sebenarnya pokok pangkal is not about the method itself. Ini saya tambah je. It's not important, but it's no citation. Pokok asalnya actually this no citation. Tak ada citation sini. You need a citation. This also no citation. So jadi your document actually there's no citation. Langsung tak ada citation. Yeah, so when you write a proposal, no citation means like tak ada apa lah. Yeah, you do not. This is similar like you nak pergi nikah, you want to go get married, you tak bawa IC. Ataupun tak ada surat nikah, tak ada surat kebenaran nikah, but you nak pergi kahwin. So basically, also although you present yourself in full, siap dengan pakai tengkolok, siap dengan pakai spek hitam and everything for the majlis akad nikah, but if kadi ask for your IC, can I ada IC tak? I have no IC. Mana surat kebenaran nikah? Tidak ada. Dia kata pergi balik lah. Macam tu je lah. So this is similar to not citing anything in a document such as this. Okay. Ini macam wajib lah tu ada. Okay, any question? Boleh faham ya? So you need citation. Semua tak ada citation. Boleh faham ya? Group 17? Okay.